Hi there! In today's video, I'm going to share some tips on how best to use your Luvele Fresh vacuum container set. Firstly, be sure the lid is sitting fully flat on the container before attempting to vacuum seal it. Be sure there is no food in the container that is touching the lid or valve area. Check that there is no liquid, water or food residue around the valve area, on the lid or on the bottom of the hand pump that connects to the area around the valve. You can use some paper towel or a dry soft cloth to wipe down any residue around the valve. If the pump keeps going without vacuuming the container, this is because the bottom of the hand pump has not gripped with the lid around the valve area. You may need to clean both these parts with warm soapy water to remove any food or oily residue. Once the pump has created a firm grip, you'll hear the sound of the motor change as it removes the air from the container. Another reason for the pump not sealing the container is that it may be low on charge. Try fully recharging your pump. When storing a vacuum sealed container for a long period of time, it is best to check it every few days to make sure the seal remains. Sometimes if a container does not vacuum seal or loses its vacuum, you need to simply try again. If the lid is hard to remove at any stage, try removing the valve fully and you will find it lifts up more easily. I hope you've found this helpful. If you've got any further questions, please shoot us an email or ask in the comments section below. We'll see you in the next video.